In this video, I would like to discuss with you trial payments. Hey homeowners, it's Josh Sternberg from Sternberg Law Group coming at you from sunny Southern California. Now, what are trial payments? Trial payments are the 3 payments you are required to make before you get a permanent loan modification. Okay, so the scenario is that you apply for a loan modification for a mortgage assistance, you get approved, but before the approval, before the loan modification is closed, is made solid, they want you to make 3 trial payments. Okay, the history of trial payments is that before, lenders or banks were giving loan modifications without requiring trial payments. And what was happening is people in hardships, so homeowners in hardships would receive this loan modification. They would accept the loan modification. The loan would be brought current, which means there would be 0 outstanding balance, but the homeowners were still in hardship and they couldn't make a mortgage payment. So the banks realized, wait, we can't just give out these permanent loan modifications. We have to give out loan modifications with trial payments that show that they can make 3 payments on time. It's typically 90 days of payments, 3 months of equal payments. Sometimes I've seen 6 months of payments if you have a tough servicer, but by far and large, it's a 3-month requirement, so a 90-day requirement. Now, here is my number 1 tip regarding trial payments. Be careful, be very careful. These payments need to be made on time and in full, okay? On time, what does on time mean? Sometimes people get excited and they want to make a trial payment quickly. Do not do that. If you make your trial payment too early, the bank system gets confused and they don't know what to do with the payment. And I've seen trial mods blow up because of that. So if your payment is due October 1st, I would suggest making your payment a couple days before October 1st. You can make it by mail. I also like for people to make it by phone, because if you make it by phone, you get a nice confirmation number. You can watch the money come out of your bank account in the next day or 2. And that is your evidence, that is your proof that you made the payment on time. Here is tip number 2. Treat your lender like they are in kindergarten. What does that mean? Why am I treating my lender like they're in kindergarten? You need to spell things out to your lender just like you would spell things out to a child in a kindergarten class. You have to say, here's my payment, here's how much my payment is for, this is where I sent it, this is when I sent it, this is what my requirements are, and here's proof that I made that payment. I would do that, or I have my clients do that for every single trial payment. So when you make the payment, you make it like you're making it to a kindergarten, very careful, very fastidious, very clear on what you're trying to do so that there's no confusion on the bank. And then you also have to save proof. So you have proof of the payment, proof of the mailing, proof that the payment went through. Okay. Again, I like payments to be made over the phone because you get a confirmation number and you can see the money come out of your account. I do not like my clients to send secured checks, cashier's checks, and money orders. Because once you send a cashier check or money order without doing extensive research, you have no idea whether that payment has been processed. Did they receive the check? Did they process it? So if you make payment over the phone, or if you make payment by personal check, you will see that check clear your account. And if they ever try to say that they didn't receive your payment on time, you have documentable evidence, proof, through a canceled check or a withdrawal from your bank account that, hey, you took my money. I'm not in the wrong. Okay, so 2 things, be careful, and treat the banks like it's a kindergarten project, like it's a little book report. Take notes, be on top of it, be super simple, don't make things complex, and make sure that you're saving the evidence. Okay, so if anybody's getting a trial modification, please watch this video. I hope it helps. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to Sternberg Law Group, or you can leave questions or comments in the section below. And please subscribe if you have a minute. It really helps us out. Thank you so much. Josh Sternberg from Sternberg Law Group.